All right, we're going to have a quick video recap of some example problems of the lesson today. So today we are combining like terms of expressions. So it's important to remember that terms can only be combined if they have the same variable and the same exponent. So some terms are not going to be able to be combined. So we're jumping straight into some examples. And I use the box method where I'm going to box like terms. And the only reason I do that is because it is easy to accidentally lose a negative sign. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to start with my term 9x for number 1. And I am going to put that in a box. And I'm looking for all the other terms that have x as a variable. So plus 3x squared doesn't work because of an exponent, but here is a minus 4x. So I put this in a box just because we want to make sure that we don't leave out the negative. It's really easy to accidentally only put the 4x here, and we would think it might be positive. So we need to put a box around everything. Minus 5x squared, minus 12. So there's only two terms that have just an x. So I can look, I'm combining or adding 9x and negative 4x, which gives me 5x. Now I can box my 3x squared and a negative 5x squared, which is going to give me a negative 2x squared. And then my last thing to box is a minus 12. So the minus 12 goes there. A lot of times you will see expressions written from the bigger exponents and variables from left to right. So this might be written as negative 2x squared and a positive 5x minus 12. But either one of these would be fine. The box method is also a nice way to make sure that we count all of our terms. All right. Next question, boxing my negative 6x. I can also box a positive 4x and a positive 8x. So if I'm combining those three things, negative 6, positive 4, and positive 8, that's going to get me a positive 6x. And then I have a negative 2 combined with a negative 15, and that's going to equal negative or minus 17. So easy to mess up if we're not organized or if we get confused with our negatives. Last one we're going to do, have negative 5x squared. So I'm looking for all the other terms that have an x squared. And I found one here at the end. So I'm combining those. That's going to give me negative 2x squared. Now I have a negative 9x. I can combine that with a negative 5x minus 14x. And all that's left is the term plus 11. Hope this video helped, and good luck on your assignment.